studying the different cam profiles with respect to respective followers. As we know, this is the typical three-link mechanism in which the cam is the rotating element, driving element, and the follower is the driven element, and this frame will be acting as the fixed element which supports the cam and guides this follower. So starting with the cam is the driving element and this follower is the driven element. The follower will follow the cam profile and similarly simultaneously it will be lifting up to a certain height, and from this we can measure it and also verify it with the dial gauge. So this is start. This is the electronic panel we have in which we will be getting the RPM indicator, and we will increase the RPM through this variac. We can either increase or decrease the RPM through this knob. This is the mains on switch, and this is the 0.5 horsepower motor we have connected, and this motor is further coupled with the shaft, and further this shaft is connected to the cam, and the cam, this profile is followed by the follower, and simultaneously it will lift up through and we will measure it through this dial gauge. For studying the different profiles, we have three pairs with us, three cam and follower pairs. One is this circular pair with this mushroom follower, and second one is this tangent cam with this roller follower, and the third one, the last one we have, is a centric cam with the knife edge follower. In this experiment, we will also observing the jump RPMs, that is the RPM in which the follower is lifted at a certain RPM. The contact between two is whenever the contact between these two cam and follower is lost, that particular RPM we will be calling it as jump RPM. And to observe this jump RPM, we have two variables with us. First one is these two additional weights that we will be putting on this follower on this platform. One is 100 grams, the other is 200, and the last one is 300 grams. We will be putting this weight on this follower so that this will affect this jump RPM, and we will verify it through this electrical panel. And the second variable we will be talking about is this spring. We can vary this spring through this nut. We can either increase the length of this spring and observe the RPM, or vice versa. We will be increasing the length and we will be observing the jump RPM. So starting with the experiment, what we will be doing. Initially, the electrical panel is switched off, and we will be manually checking the profile by just rotating the shaft by our hand. So starting with, we will be seeing here, there is a protector fitted on over here. It will be